Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering next-generation AI video analytics solutions that transform ordinary CCTV cameras into intelligent surveillance and operational monitoring platforms. The system automatically detects workers not wearing mandatory safety helmets or safety vests and generates real-time alerts. Automated notifications help supervisors improve compliance and reduce workplace risks. The platform also identifies missing gloves and safety shoes in real time. Advanced analytics dashboards provide compliance scores, active alerts, and safety insights, enabling organizations to achieve 24/7 automated monitoring and enhanced workplace safety. Beyond safety, the platform strengthens industrial security through advanced AI-driven surveillance. Automated alerts enable security teams to respond faster, reduce risks, and protect critical infrastructure. AI-powered fire detection continuously monitors critical areas, instantly identifying smoke and fire incidents. Real-time alerts enable rapid response, helping organizations enhance safety, minimize risks, and protect people and assets, vehicle activity, and facility utilization to improve productivity and operational efficiency. Actionable insights help organizations optimize resources and gain better visibility into day-to-day operations. Transform your CCTV infrastructure into an intelligent AI-powered monitoring platform. Contact Brilliant Info Systems today to schedule a live demonstration. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.